Dad, in 1997 a computer beat the world chess champion. In 2016 AlphaGo beat the best Go player. In 2019 an AI beat the best human at StarCraft 2, which requires strategy, deception, and reading opponents in real time. What is left?
Games have been the testing ground for AI for decades. Not because games are frivolous, but because they are controlled environments with clear rules, measurable outcomes, and extreme difficulty. Mastering games taught AI the skills it now brings to the real world. Reinforcement learning. The AI starts knowing nothing. It plays the game against itself millions of times. Every win reinforces the moves that led to it. Every loss discourages those patterns. No human shows it strategy. It discovers strategy.
Discovers strategy by itself. AlphaGo invented moves that no human had ever played in 300 years of Go history.
Move 37 in Game 2. A move that commentators called an error at first. Then realized it was brilliant. AlphaGo discovered strategies humans had not considered in 3 millennia of play.
A machine played a game for a few days and found something humans missed for 3,000 years. That is the most humbling sentence I have ever heard.
The techniques mastered in games are now applied to real problems. DeepMind used AlphaGo-style RL to reduce Google data center cooling energy use by 40%. Protein folding from game-style search. Drug discovery. Traffic flow optimization.
The same algorithm that learned to win at Go reduced Google's electric bill and helped cure diseases. The game was just the practice room.
Exactly. Games are environments where you can run millions of experiments cheaply and quickly. The real world is expensive and slow. Games are the AI's training ground. Modern games also use AI inside the game experience. NPCs with realistic behavior. Procedurally generated worlds that are unique every playthrough. Adaptive difficulty that matches your skill level in real time.
Adaptive difficulty. The game watches how good I am and adjusts so it is always right at the edge of my ability. Always slightly hard, never impossible.
Zone of proximal development in educational psychology. The sweet spot between too easy and too hard where learning and engagement peak. Games had AI figure this out before most schools. AI-generated games where every world is unique. NPCs you can have real conversations with. Games that adapt their story to your choices at a deep level. Companions that remember your entire history with them.
An NPC that remembers every conversation you have had, grows based on your relationship, and has its own personality. That is not an NPC anymore. That is a character.
The line between NPC and character has always been a design choice. AI makes that line infinitely thinner. What that means philosophically is genuinely interesting to think about. Games are AI training grounds, controlled, cheap, fast. AlphaGo discovered 3,000 years of Go strategies in days. Reinforcement learning from games now reduces energy use and discovers drugs.
Games taught AI to think. AI is now using that thinking to make the world better. That is the least expected and most satisfying outcome I have heard today.
Sometimes the play is the work. Turns out,